Hi, I'm May here. In this video, how to clone a funnel in Groovepages, Groovefunnels training for beginners. In a few moments, I will show you step by step on how to clone a funnel in Groovepages. If you haven't signed up with Groovefunnels yet, I have a link in the description below. It is completely free and it's a lifetime membership. And you don't need to fill in your credit card details. Step 1, you can click that icon here, the G here. So you go to this page, or other way is to go to apps and then Groovepages. The next step is choose which website you want to clone. In this case, want to clone this one. The next step is go to pages on the left hand side navigation. Keep in mind that you can clone the page. It's got two different ways to do it. The first option is click three dots here. You see you got edit settings, rename, clone, and hide from navigation. So we want to click clone. And it's gonna take a few seconds for Groovepages to clone the page. So if it's stuck like this, don't worry about it, because if you click other page and then come back here, it's done. And other ways, you can set up, so you want the first page here to be a template, so you can set up the template by go to on the top right hand corner here, you got the 3 lines, and then save as template. And then it's gonna save for you. This one is save. If you want to create a new page, you click here the plus sign here, and then you go to my templates. Here it is, your page here. You can click preview to make sure it's the right one. In this case, you want to select it. Or here it is, that's the page that we just did. This is the. So if we go back again and we make sure that we got the right one, so click plus sign here and then my templates, and then click this one here, select, and then click save. Go to pages, here it is, so it is working. You need to click out of that page that you want to duplicate, and then here. So make sure you click out if you see the side that is stuck, like download, the page is loading. Don't worry, so click out of the page, so click any other page, and then here it is. I'm so happy that finally it is working, because when I tested out, it was like when the page gets stuck, oh no, I don't want to like create the page from scratch again, because it took me quite a while to create this page. So I'm so happy that Groovefunnels, Groovepages actually is working now. I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumb up. And click subscribe button below this video, and also a bell notification icon. So when I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thanks again for joining me today. Until next time, have yourself a good one.